All right, today I'm going to talk about the incomplete and codominance traits and how to do a cross like that. Incomplete dominance is when you have two traits that make a third trait, with neither of the two traits being present. So, for example, you might have a red flower and a white flower, and when they are crossed, you could end up with a pink flower. So, you no longer have the red nor the white, but you have pink only. Another example is um, when you have, and they'll talk about a little further down here, you have one that's maybe a purple and a red for flowers, but you end up with a blue flower. Okay, crossed like that. And there's some practice problems dealing with roan cattle. A roan cattle is when you cross a white cattle, like a white cow and a brown bull, and you end up with roan young, which are white with brown spots, and they look like this. That's a roan cattle. A lot of different pictures of it, but that's one example. And here's what the parents look like. A pure red, pure white, and you get a roan. So those are all incomplete dominance, okay? So neither one of them is really expressed. Codominance is when you have two different traits that cross and kind of combine. They share their dominance. An example would be like a white rabbit and a black rabbit mating to become a black spotted rabbit, or a white chicken and a black chicken becoming a Wyandotte chicken. This is a Wyandotte chicken. I think it's a pretty handsome looking rooster there, but it's a combination between a white chicken and a black chicken. That's codominance, like they're sharing the traits. So as you work through down here, you will do a little bit of both methods, crossing a brown and a white. And if you get, and I can make a copy here to show you, you can write right on it. If you get a brown horse and a white horse, what kind of crosses do you end up with? You've got a brown, this is a incomplete dominance, and a white. When you cross them, you're going to get palominos, which are considered a golden coat. They're brown. When you cross the brown and white, they make a new combination. Kind of like the white and red making pink. Okay, that's incomplete dominance. So you would get something like this, and then you would give me an answer. Here's genotype, phenotype, because they're asking you what the genotypes and phenotypes are. Remember, genotypes are like the genetic expression. So we had 100% be white. Actually, I kind of showing you what you do in a, brown and white. And then a phenotype would be that you'd have 100% of the palomino or golden. There you go. That's all you have to do for all the problems on here. So do the cross, do the genotype, phenotype, and you'll be done. If you have any questions, as always, please give me a call or send me a message, and I will help you do it, or we can set up our own help session. But that's how I can kind of help you out. All right. Hopefully that helps.